This is social media versus reality. First off is Temple Mount in Israel, which is the holiest site in Judaism and known for being an important building in religion. And in reality, this temple is very sacred and beautiful, and I would recommend visiting. Next up is the Plitvice Lakes National Park in Croatia. This national park is known for the beautiful lakes that were created over thousands of years. But in reality, this national park is often very crowded due to high amounts of tourists piling up the path. And lastly is the Arawan Shrine in Bangkok. This shrine is known for this four-faced Buddha in the middle of the street worshipped by people for luck and success. But in reality, this shrine can be very crowded due to being in the middle of literally everything.